Morning students. So today we are learning about parallel lines. Yesterday we learned about properties of corresponding angles and properties of alternate angles. Now today we are going to learn about properties of interior angles. Okay. So I am going to draw two parallel lines. Okay. This line AB. Let's talk about PQ because yesterday we used this as PQ and then we took this as RS. Okay, I'm going to draw the same diagram, but today we are going to talk about alternate angles. This is AB. Okay, and this is MN. What is MN? This line AB is intersecting this PQ and RS at two distinct points, that is M and N respectively. So when I say interior angles, we are going to talk about the angles which are inner side of these two lines. Okay. So which angles are there here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. And our property says that each pair of interior angles formed with this parallel lines and transversal is of supplementary angles. Supplementary means what? If we add these angles together, we'll get 180 degree. Okay. So let's talk about the first pair of interior angles. Now if I am talking about this angle PMN, okay, its interior angle is, now there are two interior angles, two types. One is this pair, okay, and one is alternate interior angles, but today we are not going to talk about alternate. Okay, so we are talking about this and angle QMN. Okay, our property is saying that these angles are supplementary angles, 180 degree. Don't forget to write M before this. Measure of angle PMN plus measure of angle QMN is equals to 180 degree. Now can we talk about the second pair also? Yes, we can. So this is measure of angle RNM. Okay. Plus measure of which angle? This angle SNM. Measure of angle SNM. This will be also equal to 180 degree because they are supplementary. Okay. So this is the property of interior angles. And now we are going to see some examples. Okay. So you need to draw these parallel lines along with me. Draw two parallel lines and their transversal. Okay. So line AB is parallel to line PQ, that is given. This line AB is parallel to line PQ. This is given. And this transversal's name is LM. We are going to name it as LM. It is intersecting these two lines at point O and at point N. Okay. If the measure of angle MNQ, okay, measure of angle M, N and Q is given, that is 70 degree. Then you need to find, they have asked us to find measure of angle AON. This is a question. This measure of angle AON. We are going to find this angle. First, I guess we have learnt about this congruent angles. Corresponding angles are always congruent. Yes. So which one is the corresponding angles to this angle? This is M, O and B. So I am going to write angle BON, okay, is congruent to angle MNQ. Okay, reason you will write corresponding angles. Now since this is 70 degree, this angle will also be 70 degree. Yes? Therefore, angle, measure of angle, don't forget to write M BON is equals to 70 degree. This is equation 1. Okay? And then we can apply our interior property of interior angles, that angle AON and angle BON are supplementary. That means I am going to erase this. Okay. So how I am going to write measure of angle AON plus measure of angle BON will be equal to 180 degree. Yes, because they are supplementary interior angles. So let's put the value of this, that is measure of angle AON will be equal to 180 minus 70. Why I have written minus 70? Because this is plus 70 will go to that side and it will become minus 70. Therefore, we have got measure of angle AON equals to, this will be 110 degree. This is the answer. Also do this in different way. Okay, if we have this angle, its opposite angle will also be equal to 70 degree. Okay, that means angle AOP ONP will be equal to 70 degree, this angle. And then we can talk about these two. Okay, interior angles. And this way you can find this AON plus this angle ONP equal to 180 degree and you will get the answer. I hope doubts are clear.